Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! Now, on today's video, I'm going to talk about the expectation of how long they think it's supposed to take to win your first government cleaning contract. How long? Some say anywhere from 12 months to 18 months. Ouch! That would really hurt if you had to think of waiting that long before you won your first government cleaning contract. So what can you do to make sure that you don't have to wait that long? So the one thing you can do is understand there are various ways to win your first contract. And the best way is going to be with the no bid, not bidding. That's right. Building that relationship with that government contracting officer is going to be your best bet. And there's several ways out there. Now, the sweet spot is the $25,000 contract. That you can do on your own. And when you do the no bid, you do not have to do any past performances. So the no bid contract should be something you really focus on. Now, a lot of those are not advertised. You have to know. But one of the things you can do is start looking at your local government agencies and start marketing. Start getting your website lined up with your capability statement, lined up with your DSBS profile. That is what you want to focus on. Focus on small, increments that you can do to move along to make sure that you're on the right path. But whatever you do, do not get your mindset on having to wait between 12 months to 18 months to win your first contract. If I were you, I would start in on the no bid. Figure out step by step on what I need to do to win a no bid contract, and that is where I would look to start. This is something you can do immediately. It's something you can do if there's not a lot of government contracts around you. You can provide supply services and you can provide the actual physical services. So if you want to learn more, guess what you can do? You can sign up for my free masterclass, how to win your first government cleaning contract, or how to scale if you've already won your first contract. Make sure you join me. I'd love to see you there. Click to register. The link is there. Look forward to seeing you bring the energy, the effort, all of it. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.